Welcome back to Conspiracy Theory. I'm your host, Conspiracy Theory. Today we'll be talking about Flat Earth. Is it true? Is it not true? I don't know. I like to find a bunch of videos online and show you guys, so please try to have an open mind to this stuff. I'm not saying this stuff is facts. I'm not saying these things are false. All I'm saying is there's a possibility of new things out there. Has anybody ever thought about flight paths? Flight paths seem pretty weird to me. Watch this next video and you will understand.
Does anyone find it quite a bit concerning as to if you're on a ball, why don't you just go from here to here? Why you go up and then down? Flight paths on a flat earth. That makes a lot more sense. Looks like a straight line. You know, if there was a need of an emergency landing from Taiwan to LA, they go up to Alaska. Why? On a ball, Hawaii's just right here. Oh, that makes more sense. Look, Alaska is just in a straight line. Flight from Argentina to India and you're stopping in Amsterdam, way up there. Why don't they just go straight across? Why don't they just go straight across? Oh wait, they do. Argentina, Amsterdam, India. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Another emergency landing from Dallas to Beijing. On a ball, they go up to Calgary. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, Dallas, Calgary, Beijing.
Another good video that I know is this guy talking to a pilot, and he goes, "Do you think the earth is flat?" And he goes, "I know the earth is flat. Watch this."
Can I talk to the pilot, please?
He's right here.
You're the pilot?
Hi.
How long have you been flying for?
Like for Delta 21 years, but maybe like 30 something.
I want to know, because they say the pilots know a lot. Do you think the earth is flat or no?
I know it's flat.
You know it's flat? How long have you been flying for, you said?
Over 30 years.
And when you tell people that, do they think you're like crazy or no?
Only one person.
If that doesn't get you thinking, this next one will.
Melts, leaving this gate open, and they flow through it to the other side of the ice wall. Once there, it doesn't take long for the action to start. A massive ship approaches them. It happens to be people that look just like us. They greet them. At first, they intimidate them, then they greet them, and they tell them to head to the ancestral lands, which are here. Upon arriving there, William Morris is presented an opportunity to talk to the president of the Ancestral Republic. They go there, everything's pure, everything's peace, everything's silence, everybody lives on an equal plane, nobody's better than anybody else. It's perfect harmony. That was, of course, until William Morris talked to the president and found out that they were people that actually escaped from inside the ice wall from a said reboot or reset.
What about this next one coming up, guys? Just have an open mind about it.
The planets are not spinning balls in space. They are light within the firmament. The 7 planets give you the 7 days of the week, the 7 metals, the 7 chakras, the 7 diatonic tones. This is because everything's made out of light. Low vibrational light turns into matter. High vibrational matter turns into light. This is why the 7 metals have the same symbol for the 7 planets. Because the sun gives you gold when it materializes. Mars gives you iron. Venus gives you copper. The moon gives you silver. These 7 energies are the 7 energies and characteristics of God. And they are within us with our 7 chakra systems. Each chakra has a vice which you need to turn to a virtue in order to go up the chakra system. We live in a soul system, not a solar system, people. And these 7 energies are the 7 essential energies in order to function in this world.
Who here thinks Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world? I bet this will open your eyes to some new stuff.
We have all been programmed to believe that there is no land at the North Pole. Just a bunch of ice sheets, nothing to see here. What if I told you that this is far from the truth? Not only is the North Pole home to the most exceedingly high mountain in the world, Mount Zion, the mountain of God, which is spoken about all throughout the Bible, it is also home to paradise, the Garden of Eden, which is still here to this day. Now prepare for a big awakening. This is one of the first ever maps created of the North Pole in the 1500s. Now I want you to focus on the middle here. You have a mountain with a river coming out of it, and then you have 4 rivers coming out of that river in the middle. And a river went out of Eden to water the garden, and from thence it was parted and became into 4 heads. So you have the river flowing out of Eden, which is directly under Mount Zion, and you have the 4 rivers parting from that one big river. A lot of people think that God took the Garden of Eden to heaven, but why would he be guarding it with cherubims and a flaming sword if it was in heaven? Now back to the map, that mountain in the middle, it is called the Rupes Nigra. It's straight from Wikipedia. Rupes Nigra means black rock. The Rupes Nigra is a black rock magnetic mountain located at the North Pole. Funny how the biggest investment company in the world is BlackRock. They know the truth. Not to mention, Rupes Nigra is 33 French miles wide. Remember who loves the number 33? The Freemasons.